So good morning everybody, happy Sunday. Mr. C here, looking at his best. We're going to do something different today because myself and Mrs. C, we've been on the road now for about a year and a half and we haven't had a traditional Sunday roast in nearly 2 years. So we're going to do one today. Now normally what you do with your roast, either beef or pork or whatever, you'd stick it in the oven. We're not doing that at the minute. So here's the roast. It's pork, and what I've done is I've done rosemary and mixed herbs and coated it. So what we're going to do with this, I've got a slow cooker. I'm going to put it in the slow cooker and I'm going to cook it for about 4 hours. 4 hours guys, so one roast into the slow cooker. We're going to cook this for 4 hours, and then when it's pretty much cooked, we're going to stick it in the oven and just brown it off. And in the meantime, Mrs. C is going to make cauliflower cheese. We're going to do roast potatoes with rosemary, all that traditional stuff that you get in the UK. So if you guys are in the Philippines and you wonder what a traditional UK Sunday roast is about, stand by for action. Okay guys, so that's in there. That's lovely. I mean, that's completely, I just left it in herbs and everything overnight. So the bit of the old baboy there, guys. Baboy. Put that into the slow cooker. We're going to set that for, let's say, 4 hours. I think we're somewhere there. Well, Lydia somewhere for it. There we go. And we're just going to let that cook now for 4 hours in a slow cooker and then transfer it to the oven. Okay guys, for the roast potatoes, just get some small potatoes, cut them into quarters and part boil them. Okay, don't make them soft, just part boil them. Literally hot water or boiling water for about 10 minutes, 15 minutes. In the meantime, get a bag, just get a bag. Add a bit of flour, just plain flour, put it in the bag. Don't need a lot. Probably a tablespoon's worth there. Okay. Get yourself some rosemary, a bit of fresh rosemary. I do like rosemary, it's good stuff. This is dried stuff, but put some of that in there as well. Okay, add a little bit of oil. I mean, this time I'm just using a bit of sesame oil, but you can use normal veg oil. A little bit of that in there. And then when your potatoes are ready, all you do is put them in the bag. So they'd have been cooking for about 10 minutes. Put them in the bag, seal it. Give everything a good shake around. It's an old trick my mother showed me. Grab a little bowl for these guys. Right, so they're coated now in flour, rosemary and oil. And what we'll do later is just cook them up in the oven and brown them off. Well guys, Mrs. C is actually up and about now. I'm wearing a really nice gift I got from my brother, my Polish brother, Rafał. Raf, if you're watching, cześć, dzień dobry. Look at this. Do you remember this? Let me just show you the back, guys. There we go. This came from my brother in Poland years and years ago. Yes, Ralph, I still have it. Anyway, where are we? Roast potatoes. They're ready, guys. Slow cooking meat. Oh, that's cooking nicely in there as well. What's Mrs. C up to this morning? She's on the she's on Messenger. Morning, Mrs. C.
Morning.
Who's on the Messenger?
It's Jing.
It's Jing, my sister Jing. Jing's on YouTube this morning. Good morning. Okay. So I'm going to hand this video over now to Mrs. C, who's going to use her fancy cameras and do her a little bit of blogging. This is behind the scenes stuff, guys. This is her camera. It's the Osmo, not Nano, the Osmo 360. Then she's got this like handle thing as well, and there's like a tripod that sits with it. I'll show you the setup later, guys. It's very posh. Over to Mrs. C. So Mrs. C's actually on with it at the moment. I'm going to show you some really rare footage, guys. This is behind the scenes. This is where it all happens. Ooh, potatoes we know about. That meat. Oh man, that smells gorgeous.
This is my Yorkshire pudding.
This is making Yorkshire pudding mix.
Yeah.
Okay, what we got here?
I half boiled the broccoli and
cauliflower.
cauliflowers. Half boiled, then I put here and making cheese sauce.
Excellent. So this is the setup that Mrs. C uses. She's got a posh one, a little tripod, and she's got the handheld part. And at the end of that extendable thing is a really nice Osmo 360, which is it's a 360 camera, guys. Mrs. C likes that one.
Yeah,
anyway,
it's easy to.
So that's behind the scenes in the Cowdell household. Right, I'm going to leave Mrs. C to it, and I'm going to start actually. I'm actually just going to start editing this vlog as it's going on. So I'm going back up to my office, guys, and we'll just leave Mrs. C to it. See what she comes up with. Okay.
Meanwhile.
Oh man, this is looking great. How's this meat getting on? Oh, seriously, that's beautiful. It smells so nice. Oh wow, Mrs. C, cauliflower cheese.
I put some cheese later on there. I put them in there.
When we put it in the oven, we'll put some melted cheese in it. Brussels sprouts. There'll be some serious ootop going on today, guys. Just in case you don't know what ootop means, it's basically Filipino for fart, and I fart a lot. Big otot! Otot city, po! I fart a lot after Brussels sprouts. Oh, look at this. Wow. Right.
This is my butter for my Yorkshire pudding.
Yeah.
I like it with the gravy.
Yorkshire pudding. That's a delicacy, because I'm from Yorkshire, I'm a Yorkshireman, guys.
Yeah, so I learned from Steve.
Yeah,
Mr.
so
C.
there's only a few of us know the recipe. Danny Walker, you know who you are. Danny from Load Logic. Yorkshire, through and through. He'd teach you how to make a good Yorkshire pudding. Anyway, talking to somebody else from the UK. Happy birthday today, Richard Samuel Michael. Hi, Richard.
Happy birthday, po.
He follows us on Facebook. I don't know if you subscribe to the channel, brother, but Richard is probably one of the best and most experienced plant operators in the UK. So
Happy birthday, po.
happy birthday, Richard. Have a great day, mate. And enjoy the video, if you're watching it.
Hi. It's Sunday po. Kumusta? Magro-roast dinner kami ngayon. Kaya gagawa tayo ng Yorkshire pudding. Yan ang ano natin, ang gagawin natin. Ang ano natin kailangan is plain flour, itlog, ayan, at may rosemary tayo. Ayan, lagyan natin ng rosemary. Bukas ba ito o nasan yung ano? Tingnan natin sa ano natin kung may bukas. Naubos na yata ni Mr. yung bukas. May bukas. Ayan. May bukas. Ayan. Ang gamitin natin. At kailangan natin ng milk. Milk din. Ayan. Milk. At sa konting asin. Ayan ang kailangan natin. Kaya walang measurean na ito. Tsamba-tsamba lang. Ayan. Yan ang flour natin. Kasi dalawa lang naman kami. Kaya walang measure yan. Ito. Yan ang flour. Kailangan natin na ganyan. Siguro tama na yan. Yung natin, flour natin. Kailangan natin ng lagyan ng rosemary. Ayan. Konting oil din. Itong oil natin. Oil. Ayan. Para aasla, para hindi didikit sa at itlog. 2 itlog. Ayan. Isa. 2. At konting asin. Ayan. Diyan natin ang konting asin. Ayan, konting asin. At gatas. Ayan. Tsamba-tsamba lang ito. Ayan. I-mix natin. Kung kailangan pa ng milk, lagyan natin. Ayan. Mix natin yan. Hanggang parang gagawa ng butter. Ayan. Konting pong milk. Ubos na yung milk natin. Kuha tayo ng milk kasi marami tayong milk dito. Sa fridge natin to. Ayan. Konting milk pa. Ayan. At i-mix natin. Hanggang ma-mix pati damit. Ayan. Kung kailangan ng lagyan pa ng oil, lagyan ng oil. Ayan. Babalikan natin yan, i-mix natin. Ito na po ang natin, butter natin sa Yorkshire pudding. Ayan, hayaan natin dyan. At lulutuin natin yan mamaya at maghihiwa tayo ng ng mga vegetable. Kaya ayan, hayaan muna natin dyan para aalsa mamaya. At babalikan natin yan. Ito po ang Brussels sprouts. Sabi nila dito ay Brussels sprouts. Yung maliliit ba na cabbage. Ayan Ayan. Yung Brussels sprout. Linisan natin to. Alasin natin yung mga yung sirang leaves niya. Ayan. Para i-boil natin to. Yan. Ilagay natin dito sa malaking coriander. Alisin natin yung sirang mga leaves ba. Kasi tignan nyo yung leaves niya. Ayan. Yung mga iba, ayaw nila yung Brussels sprouts. Nung first time ko tong kainin, ayaw ko din, pero masarap din kasi. Ayan. Balisin natin yung mga yung cabbage, balisin natin yung mga leaves na hindi nating kasi medyo mapait ito ang lasa. Yung maliliit na sprouts. Sabi nila Brussels sprouts. Ayan. Alisin natin yung leaves ng at babalikan natin to. Pa-finish na tong Brussels sprouts natin. Ang mga iba ayaw nila itong Brussels sprouts. Parang marmite ba na sabi nila, you gonna hate it or love it. Ayan. Tapos na po yung mga natin. Tignan natin kung meron pa dyan natitira. Wala na. Yun ang mga balat. Ito ang Brussels sprout natin. Nasa coriander. Sagatan. Ayan. At tapon na natin to sa basurahan para ano. Ayan. Basurahan. Maghugas tayo ng kamay. Okay. Hawakan natin yung basurahan. Ayan. At next natin yung cauliflowers. Gagawa tayo ng ano ng cauliflower cheese ba. Ayan, itong cauliflower. Ayan. Mga florets ba like this. Ayan. Half boiled natin to ang cauliflower at gagawa tayo ng sauce, cheese sauce. Ito ang cheese sauce natin, nasa ladder. Ayan. Lulutuin ko siya ng milk. Ayan. Para ilagay natin yan. At yan. Lagyan natin ng ano. Kunti lang ang cauliflower cheese natin. Dadalawa lang naman kami ni Steve. Kaya okay lang yan. Ang traditional English dinner ito. Kada linggo. Matagal nang hindi kami nag-roast dinner. Ilang taon na. Kasi palagi kaming wala sa bahay. Kaya sulitin natin ngayon. Ayan. Ito na po ang ano natin. Cauliflower natin. Ayan. Tingnan natin. May maliliit pa dyan. At ang next natin, yung ano, yung broccoli ba. Ayan. Hindi ko hatiin ng maliliit kasi mas maganda kung floret siya. Ayan. Ito. Ang next natin yung cauliflower. I-boil lang natin to. Yung cauliflower natin. Ayan. Ganyan. Hindi mawawala ito sa ano sa roast dinner nila. Yung cauliflowers, yung broccoli. Ayan. Boiled lang natin yan. At huhugasan lahat. Ayan. Gagawa tayo ng ano, cheese sauce. Ayan. Yan na po. Lahat ng mga vegetable sama-sama na yan. Pero alam ko naman, kunin ko yung mga cauliflower at sprouts mamaya. Ugasan natin yan. At pag-mix tayo, hot boil natin yung cauliflower. Then, ilagay natin sa dish. Lalagyan natin ng sauce. Ayan. Ayan. Yan na po. Babalikan natin mamaya yan. Mga vegetable natin, yung cauliflower. Ayan. Lagay natin dyan. Half boiled natin para hindi naman matigas. Kunti lang. At gawin natin ano yan, cauliflower cheese. Ayan. Lagyan natin sa pot. Nasaan na yung mga cauliflower natin. Ayan. Wala pa dyan. Ayan. Lagyan natin ng tubig. Mainit akong konting tubig dyan. Ayan. Boil natin yan. Nang half cook lang para na hindi naman na masyadong matigas. At gagawa tayo ng ano natin. Ayan, half boil natin yan. At ilalagay natin sa dish. Itong dish na to. Siguro yung mas maliit kasi konti lang. Kasi madip ito. Kaya marami akong ano eh. Nasaan na yung mga konti. Ayan na. Ito. Yung ano natin para hindi naman mas malaki masyado. Ayan. Para ano natin, lagay natin dyan. Gagawa tayo ng ano mamaya, ng cheese sauce. At ayan. Babalikan natin yan mamaya. Ayan, half boil na itong ano natin, cauliflowers natin. Ayan, para hindi naman matigas-tigas. Patayin na natin yan. At kukunin natin dito, lagay natin dyan. Sa maliit na nating ano, dish. Ayan. Lagyan natin yan. Para naman ano. Ay! Nahulog. Nahulog yan. Ugasan natin yan para hindi naman sayang. Malaki kasi yan. Ayan. Mamaya na yan. Lagyan natin dito. Yung ano niya, yung tubig niya, pinaglagaan ng ano natin. I-save natin yan para masarap yung gravy ba. Kasi alam nyo, ayan. Yan, konti lang kasi dadalawa lang naman kami. Pag nilagyan ko ng sauce yan, masarap. Ito hugasan natin kasi. Lagyan na natin dyan. At itong pinagboilan natin ng lagay ko dito sa malaki ko. Hindi, yung sa maliit na ano natin. Gravy pot natin. Dito. Lagyan natin dyan. Kasi gagamitin natin yan sa gravy. Ayan. Para hindi naman, para masarap ba. Yung pinaglagaan natin ng ng cauliflower. Ayan. At gagawa tayo ng cheese sauce. Ito, may cheese mix ako. Lagyan ko lang siya ng milk. At gagawin natin dyan. At babalikan natin mamaya yan. Gagawa tayo ng cheese mix sauce. Lagyan lang natin ng milk. Milk ang ginagamit ko. I-boil natin yan sa tsamba lang to. Walang measurement. Alam nyo. Ayan. I-boil natin yan. Konti. At ilagay natin yung cheese mix natin. Ito. May instruction naman dito. Diba? Hot water. Boiling hot water. Pero ako naman iboboil ko yung milk para masarap. May instruction dito ba? Ako naman, hindi ako nagpapalo ng instruction. Tsamba-tsamba lang yan. Kaya, wala nang measurement. Alam mo naman siguro kung yung natin. Didikit sa Ayan, hayaan natin mag-boil dyan. At babalikan natin yung yung gatas natin. Mainit na yung milk natin. Lagyan natin ng cheese mix. Ibang tsamba-tsamba lang to. Kung gusto nyo dagdagan nyo ng milk. Ayan. Dagdagan nyo ng cheese mix. Ayan. Para natin yung yung apoy. Kung gusto nyo dagdagan ng cheese mix, dagdagan nyo ng milk. Alam nyo man siguro kung thick na siya. Ayan. Kung gusto nyo dagdagan ng milk, dagdagan ng cheese mix. Dagdagan pa natin ng cheese mix. Yan, isang kutsara pa kasi alam nyo naman. Apoy natin, takasan natin ng konti. Ayan. Ito lang ang natin cheese mix natin. Bisto ba? Yung bisto. Ayan. Alam nyo man siguro kung pag na yan, consistent na siya. Yung ba, yung natin. Cheese natin. At ilagay natin doon sa cheese, sa cauliflower natin. Maging cheese sauce na siya. At lagyan natin ng extra cheese na natin sa sa ibabaw. Ayan. Siguro naman tama na to. Ayan. Oh. Thick na siya. Ayaw natin na masunog ba. Ayan. Ito na ang cheese sauce natin. Luto na. Ayan. Natin. Ilagay natin dyan sa cauliflower natin. Dito. Yung sa cauliflower natin. Para ayan. Patay na natin yung kalan at ilalagay natin doon sa sa cauliflower natin para hindi naman masunog to. Ayan. Yan lang po ang cheese sauce. Bisto ang ginamit ko. Ayan. Nice yan. Okay na yan. At ilalagay natin sa cauliflower natin. Po tayo. May matcha tayo. Matcha latte. Pangalawang pakape ko na to. Ayan. Lagay natin yung cheese sauce sa ano natin, sa cauliflower natin. At, para masarap. Ito. Buhatin natin para ano, para mas madali. Ay, ganyan ko muna. Yung cauliflower cheese natin dyan. At i-bake natin sa oven. Lagyan natin ng cheese top sa ano, sa ibabaw. Ayan. Yung traditional English dinner, minsan wala itong cauliflower kasi si Mr. C gusto niya yung cauliflower cheese, kaya gumagawa ako nito. Ayan. Ayan. Ito. Ayan. Lagyan natin yung ano, buhatin natin yung ano natin, yung kaserola natin. Ayan. Mainit kasi, ay kaya ayan. Ayan. Yung cheese sauce natin. Lagyan natin dyan. Ayan. Marami pa sa ano, sa ayan. Ayan. Lagyan natin ng ano, ng cheese sa ibaba pag ibinik natin yan sa oven. Ayan po ang version ko ng cauliflower cheese. Kaya ayan. Meron pa ng konti dyan. Alam mo naman, tayong mga Pinoy, lahat na nandun sa ano, kaserola, sipsipin. Sayang yan. Alam nyo, mahal ang bilihin ngayon. Mahal ang gas, kaya mahal ng ano, petrol, kaya mahal ang bilihin na din. Kaya ayan. Yan na po. Lagyan ko siya ng ano, ng ano, cheese sa ibabaw at ibibig natin yan. Yan po ang ano natin. Ay papakita ko mamaya pagluto na. Kaya ayan o, babalikan natin mamaya yan. And guys, mag ano na natin, lagyan na natin yung Yorkshire pudding sa ano, sa oven. Ang kailangan natin yung ano, ito, painitin natin yung mantika, lagyan natin ng mantika yan at ilagay natin yung oven. Iinom ko na yung oven ng 200 degrees. Kailangan yung mantika na mainit para ano, maluto yung Yorkshire pudding natin. Kung hindi mainit yan, hindi aalsa. Kaya yan, lagyan natin ng mantika. Yung ano natin, yung pat natin yan. At ilagay natin sa oven yan para ano, para mainit. Ayan. Ang ganda ng ano ko. Ang bulti ng ano ko yan. Ilagay natin ng ganito. Init na mainit na masyado yan. Painitin natin. Lagay natin doon sa ano, oven. Ayan natin. Umuusok yan. Kung mainit na, ilagay na natin yung ano natin, Yorkshire pudding natin mix. Ito ang Yorkshire pudding mix natin. Ayan. Ayan na. Yung Yorkshire pudding natin mix yan. Hindi natin kailangan to kasi ang kailangan natin ito. Yung ano ba? Ito. Ayan. Kasi ilagay ganyan natin. O, tignan nyo yung mix niya. Parang butter ba? Ganon din ang ano natin. Kung magluluto ka ng pancake, ganon din. Ganyan. Ayan. Kaya painitin natin yung ano, yung ano natin, yung mantika natin at pag muusok na, yan natin ilalagay yung Yorkshire butter natin, yung flour butter natin. Aalsa yan na parang Yorkshire pudding. Kailangan natin yan sa roast dinner. Kaya, babalikan natin yan. Mamaya na po. Mainit na siguro yung mantika kasi ilang minuto na dyan sa ano natin. Ayaw po yan kasi hindi ko kayang ano yan. Ito na lang. Ano natin, ayan, mainit na itong mantika, dahan-dahan lang, ayan, at ilagay natin yung ano natin, Yorkshire pudding natin. Ito, mix. Kailangan ano. Ayan. Mainit yan. Kasi umuusok na. Ayan. Kung hindi mainit kasi yung mantika, hindi bubula. Ayan. Lagyan natin quickly dun sa oven. At hayaan natin na yun. Yan, aalsa. At tignan natin mamaya. Ayan. Aalsa sa ano. Ayan. At babalikin natin yan. At makikita natin aalsa yung Yorkshire pudding natin. Ayan yung Yorkshire pudding natin. Ayan. Tingnan natin kung success yan. Kahit hindi ano mabilog o form siya, basta luto siya at masarap. Ayan, siguro post attempt natin yan. Sa pangalawa siguro bilog. Ayan. Diyan na po maalsa yung ano natin, yung ano, Yorkshire pudding natin, at babalikan natin yan mamaya. Ayan, kung maalsa naman yan, post attempt natin yan. Kung hindi success sa pangalawa, ayan, kahit hindi maporma yung Yorkshire pudding natin, basta luto, okay na yan. Kahit ano, hindi formang Yorkshire pudding. Ayan po. Tignan natin yung Yorkshire pudding natin kung success. Ayan. Ay, naku naman. Parang ano naman to. Ayan. Okay lang naman siya, oh. Hindi mapurmang bilog, pero okay lang yan. Ayan. Oh, tignan nyo. Hindi mapurmang bilog, okay lang yan. Basta masarap. Oh. Okay lang naman yung bilog niyan yan. Pero ito din. At maglalagay din na naman tayo ng mantika, yung second batch natin. Ayan. Para ano, painitin na masyado natin yung mantika. At ilagay na din natin yung ano, yung cauliflower cheese natin para maluto din. Ayan. Itong cauliflowers natin para maluto na rin diyan sa baba. Ayan. At itong mantika, lagay natin. Painitin natin ng painitin yan hanggang ano, mainit. At babalikan natin yan pag mainit na. Ayan, tingnan natin yung Yorkshire pudding natin. Na parang ano. Oh, ayan, okay lang naman siya. Sarap. Masarap. Kahit ganyan eh. Ito lang ang maporma. Dalawa. Ayan, okay lang naman siya. Kaya babalikan natin yan. Painitin natin yung ano, mantika. At nilagay ko na rin yung ano, yung cauliflower cheese natin. Ayan. At titigman natin yung Yorkshire pudding. Natin yung second batch natin ng ano, Yorkshire pudding. Mainit na yung mantika. Ayan. Dahan-dahan kasi para hindi tayo ano mapaso. Ayan. Yung mantika ay mainit. Ayan. Daming mantika. Sana ano to, perfect siya. Ayan. Ilagay natin doon sa ano, sa oven. Ayan. At lulutuin natin yan. Ayan. At alisin natin na ito. Ayan. Kaya na natin maluto yan. At aalsa siguro. May konti pa dyan. Ayan. Yung ano natin. At babalikan natin yan mamaya. At tingnan natin kung aalsa. Yung ano natin, yung pork natin, nagding na. Kaya, iwan ko kay Mr. C kung siya ang mag-uuno yan. Lalagay natin sa pot. Tatawagin ko siya. Punta tayo sa taas. Kunti pa dito. Isang pormahan siguro ng Yorkshire pudding. Ayan natin dyan. Kasi sayang naman yan. Gustong gusto ko kasi nito. Lagay mo siya ng gravy. At kung matapos yun, ano natin, i-on na natin itong Brussels sprouts. I-boil na natin yan para maluto na naman yan. At susunod natin itong broccoli. Ayan, i-boil na natin yung Brussels sprout. At yung second batch ng yolk pudding, andun na sa oven yung pork natin. Natapos na sa slow cooker. Bababa si Mister.
Right, looks like I'm loud back in the kitchen, guys. Mrs. C's done her bit, she's just having a tidy up. It's a very clean kitchen.
Clean, too much stuff though.
So what's the next trick for me? Right, so this meat's ready. Oh man, is that ready? We're going to take that meat and we're going to take the roast potatoes and put them in a baking tray, and I'm going to keep all the juice out of the meat because we're going to use that for gravy later on, guys. So the first thing I need to be doing is getting a tray, Pyrex tray. I do like a bit of Pyrex. Oh, I don't know who left that there, but yeah. Yes, please, babe. That's an essential part of Mr. C's. Hang on, cooking.
You want me to hold the camera though?
Can have that if you want.
I don't want this.
Alright, that's for the bin, babe. Okay, over to Mrs. C. Okay, here we go. So, the meat, that's going to be beautiful and soft. That is soft.
Here we go.
I get the
Nice
meat
one.
in there.
Nice one.
We'll save all that
Yeah.
juice for the gravy.
Yeah, I'll make that one.
I need to get the roasties. Just put the roasties in there as well. Just around the meat. Oh man, they're looking good. That is so soft. Yum yum.
Yum yum. Wait, because my Yorkshire pudding in there. If you open it, it will squat. Give me smash. So wait for 10 minutes, please,
Let's
Mr.
put
C.
it on hold then, guys.
Alright, guys, Mr. C, take it off the.
Still on it. Oh, what we got in here? Cauliflower cheese. Look at that cauliflower cheese. Oh. I've done like a cauliflower one and a broccoli one.
Yeah, I'll put them in the middle in a minute when you're done.
So you've done two.
Yeah, because you said it's supposed to be.
Yeah, you normally do coffee. Oh, look at these bad boys. They're beautiful.
Yeah, but it's not perfect.
Yeah. They're never perfect when I do them. Right, so let's get this in the oven.
Yeah, in the top.
In the top. What needs to go in the bottom then, babe? This
That's
one?
that one, please.
The broccoli and cheese sauce. Okay, anything else?
No, thank you. I will sort it out, that one. Thank you very much, Mr. C.
You're welcome. So cauliflower cheese is nearly done. That just wants cheese putting on it.
Yeah, leave it there. Then I put some more
There.
and the bad boy there.
The bad boys. Look at those. They're lovely. Oh,
I still got some in there. I put.
very nice.
Leave it there, babe, because I still got some.
I can do more.
Yeah, because I think a couple more of them.
She's so bossy in her own kitchen, you know that word.
Okay. Leave
So,
it.
that's cooking.
Leave it to me.
You telling me to get out your kitchen?
No, babe.
You are, you really mean it. Don't tell me, get out of my kitchen.
And you can have your Stella, Mr. C.
Okay, I'm going now, guys. So, guys, I've been sent with a full can of Stella back to my office. This is where the magic happens. I'm using Wondershare Filmora. This is another thing you don't see really, it's in the background. So this is me editing the videos, guys. Everything gets edited here. I'm sort of doing it live. Now, until a couple of years ago, I had no idea how to do this. But I've sort of got the hang of it now. So technically, I've been kicked out of the kitchen. The meat's in. The roast potatoes are in. That's going to take 20 to 30 minutes, I think, to cook. She's done cauliflower cheese, which just means needs some cheese, shredded cheese put on the top, melting in for the last 10-15 minutes. The broccoli cheese has got to cook and then have some melted cheese put on that for the last 15 minutes. Yorkshire puddings are done. I've got to make the gravy, and the Brussels sprouts are cooking. They just want draining and serving. How hard could it be, guys? Sorry, it's a really, really long video today, but you know, this is our life, and this is what we do. If it's your first time watching, do us a favour. Just down there, there's like a subscribe button. Push it. It's free. Costs you nothing, guys. All right. And if you're over in the Philippines, maganda mamaga, good morning, and we really hope you're watching the video, guys. Sending loads of love from the UK. Okay. Very quickly, before I go back down to the kitchen and see if I can get back in there, a few things that have happened this week, and I'll only keep it quick. So, I start a new contract in the next 2 weeks. Got myself a really good one, 9 to 12 months work in Somerset. It's around £350 to £400 a day, and it's for a really, really good company doing automation and robotics and racking, and yeah, really good. I'm looking forward to it. And also, I'll do some more videos in the next week, because I've realised that the big old 4.4 V8, the Range Rover of mine, since I bought it, I've never done a service on it, and it's been going backward and forward to Newcastle, Sunderland every week for the last year and a bit. So I bought oil today, and I bought new filters, and I bought an oil pump so I can suck the oil out, because there's no dipstick or anything on my car. So I'll be doing a full service on that next week, guys. Stand by for those videos. It's going to be boring as shit, like, but I figured that the car might just need a service. Right, let's get back on and see what Mrs. C's up to.
Guys, I put some cheese, cauliflower in the top, and I put them back in the oven. When it's the broccoli done, I'll do the same things as Mr. C likes, like that. Put some mozzarella cheese on that, then I put them later on in the oven. So I keep it as cheese, then I put them in the broccoli later on. And ayan, at ayan yung ano natin, sprouts natin. I-boil na natin yan kasi inalis ko kanina kasi binulog ko yung broccoli, kaya ayan, babalikan natin yan pag naluto na. Natin ito sa sa oven sa baba para maano siya, maluto. Ayan, mainit ko ng konti. Buksan natin yan. Ayan, dyan sa baba. Ayan, ito naboboil na yung ano natin, yung cauliflower cheese natin, yung sprouts. Boil natin yan. May konti pa kasi akong Yorkshire pudding, sayang naman yan, kaya lulutuin natin yan, at maghuhugas tayo ng mga anik-anik, daming mga na, at saka ito naman yung Yorkshire pudding natin. Ayan, lalaki. Ayan. Kaya maghuhugas tayo ng pinggan, babalikan natin yan. Buka tayo ng ng gravy. Ayan, boil natin yan. Yung konting pinaglagaan natin ng mga vegetable, at saka ito. Ayan, haluin na natin yan. Gawa tayo ng gravy. Boil natin yan. Ayan na, pagpapunti ng tubig. Kasi gusto ko yung maraming gravy ba sa sa karne ko. Kaya ayan, boil na natin yan, at gawa tayo ng gravy. May bisto tayo dito. Ayan, i-boil natin yan, at gawa tayo ng gravy. Yung natin, mga vegetable natin nandun, yung cauliflower cheese, broccoli cheese, at saka yung karne natin, pork, at saka roast potato, nandun sa sa oven. Kaya i-boil natin yan, at gagawa tayo ng gravy. At hintayin natin at babalikan natin. Mr. C making the gravy now.
Using a bit of bisto.
Bisto gravy.
It's like a traditional thing in the UK, bisto. You can buy other brands, but I think bisto's the best.
Yes, not the cheap
Cheap
one.
crap.
Yeah.
So let's let that boil up and do its thing.
I started it, but
There
we go. Another Stella to Mr. C.
it is Sunday, I'm having a day off. Ascension's done a Brussels sprouts. They look very nice. Big U-top coming later, guys. Should be complaining that quilt to be going like this on the bed.
Yeah, but even though you never eat a Brussels sprout, they're still doing Otot City anyway. So.
Yeah, well, it just shows my body's healthy, babe, for an old man.
Yes.
You know, and it's doing
With
its
the
business.
gravy.
Yeah, I'll just let that cook for a bit.
If you need more gravy granules, you will need to put them.
Oh,
There you go.
I'm steaming up. That meat's nearly ready.
I need to cook more the cauliflowers.
Yeah, so we'll give it another 5 minutes. I'll slice the meat, then I'll show you a little trick, guys. That's it. Okay, looks a bit burnt, guys, but this is going to be quite nice. Feels soft. Slice up this pork. Bad boy. Slice it so nicely. It's just falling a bit. Crispy on the outside, lovely on the inside. I'm going to show you a little trick with this now, guys. Right, so the gravy's nearly done. I'll show you the little trick now, guys. Slice the meat, just put the meat in the gravy. So that does two things. It puts the gravy into the meat, and it puts the meat juice into the gravy. Nice big chunks. Pork. Whoa. Gorgeous. There's loads of little pieces of pork left on the plate, but these are the big bits we're going to have for this dinner. So we're just going to let that soak, just like that, in that gravy for a bit. And just let it do its thing. And that is going to be the best pork gravy, guys. You can do it with beef as well. Just leave that there for 10 minutes, 15 minutes till everything's ready. When we're ready to plate it up, we'll just take the meat out, put it on the plates, and then we've got the gravy to put over all the rest of the vegetable. Voila.
Done, guys. All cooked.
It is?
Yeah.
It's a Filipino chef doing a traditional English meal. What we got then, babe? What we got there?
We have roast potato.
Okay.
With rosemary.
With rosemary.
And we have Brussels sprout.
Uh-huh.
Mr. C too much like it. Otot City later.
I like that even better.
This is sponsored by Stella. If you go, Stella, if you're watching.
That's a jug for the gravy.
Yes. And the meat. I don't know why
Oh, yeah.
Mr. C done like that.
Because it puts all of the meat juice into the gravy and
Alright.
it puts the gravy into the meat. So we'll take the meat out, put that on the plate, and then the gravy goes into that.
Alright, then the second one is Yorkshire pudding.
Yeah, very proud of them, aren't you, babe?
Yeah, I try my best to cook Yorkshire pudding.
She's a Yorkshire wife now.
So I learned with Mr. C.
Uh-huh.
And I got broccoli, cheese broccoli.
Oh, that's going to be lovely.
And cauliflower cheese. And a little bit of trimmings there.
A little bit of trimming meat.
Probably later on, tomorrow maybe Mr. C have a sandwich with that.
Slow cooked.
Yeah, when I go to work. He can,
Oh, man, that
he
is
can
so
have
soft.
it that one, yeah, for sandwich.
Okay, so that's it.
We plate it plate it up, guys, and how we have a lunch.
Yes, we will.
Yeah. Okay, guys, this is my plate. It's like I can feed for the barangay.
Yeah. Get loads on that. So plate up time, guys.
And I have one. I can have that ugly one.
It's an half-eaten one because you've been pecking it.
Yeah.
Yorkshire pudding as well.
Yorkshire pudding.
Okay, what's next then, love?
And I have. This is cauliflower. Oh, yum yum.
Cauliflower cheese.
No diet, guys, at the moment.
Diet's off the menu today, guys.
There you go. And broccoli.
Cauliflower and broccoli.
Aye. There you go.
Hope you're not going to tot all night tonight, bud.
I'm worried about go to work tomorrow. Oh. Okay.
Next.
And next is I go this way. And a couple of meat.
Oh, rosemary.
I don't want to make
roast pork.
one.
Get plenty in there, babe. There's loads of it.
Two. I like the burn bit.
There's plenty of that. One more.
One more. And then if I need some more later, I will take more. Oh my
It's
god.
got string on that one. We'll have to get the string off when we get it on the plate.
Yeah.
Just one bit of mist.
That's it.
Okay, next.
Next one is
Brussels sprouts.
I don't have a space in my Brussels sprout. Okay.
And a few.
Pure roast potato. Yes, guys. There's no more space. That's it. And this is my dinner, guys. Lunch.
Lunch, dinner.
Okay.
Okay, let me plate mine up then and we're sorted.
Yeah. Thirsty turn. Plating up.
Oh yeah. Look at that. It's falling to pieces, guys.
Because we slow cook them.
Slow cooked pork.
Yum yum.
Yummy.
Oh,
Oh, a bit of fat on that one.
I can have that.
Missus will fight me for that. She does like the fat on the pork.
Okay.
I'll be greedy, have a bit more. Can't pick it up, it's falling to pieces, guys.
Okay. That's
That's
it.
the meat.
That's the meat.
Right, cauliflower cheese, we do like a bit of that as well.
You like that.
Oh yeah. Good top material, guys.
Top materials.
Cauliflower cheese.
Broccoli.
Cheese. That's enough for that.
Yeah. What next, Mr. C?
I'll have a couple
Yorkshire.
of these.
Yeah. Yorkshire pudding.
I'll just have a couple of those, I think.
And
Some old sprouts on there. In fact, you know what?
get the spoon.
Yeah, because otherwise they have water in the bottom and the water's going to go onto the plate. Brussels sprouts. We'll get the old top going on tonight, gentlemen and ladies. She's going to love me later.
There you go.
And finally,
Roast potato.
the roast potatoes.
And we can have the gravy later on in the table. There you go.
Oh, this looks gorgeous. These are so hard on the outside, but
Fluffy.
fluffy on the inside, guys.
Okay, guys.
I think I'll sort this gravy out and we'll bring that to the table.
There you go, guys. I put the gravy here. I like my gravy too. Yorkshire pudding. And a little bit of Brussels sprout in there. And the meat. That's it. Thank
That's
you.
it, babe. Taste test.
And this taste it. It's nice, babe. Thank you very much.
Yeah, it's good. Everything's nice, yeah?
Yeah, everything is nice. It's good, babe. Thank you.
Okay. Look at that meal, guys. That's perfect.
Yeah.
And here comes mine.
Okay.
I just need to put a bit of gravy on that and we're good, guys. Oh yeah, put plenty in your Yorkshire puddings. Look a bit on the old Brussels, plenty on the roasts. I don't normally put it on the cauliflower cheese because it's already got like a sauce on it. So there we go, roast potato and roast pork dinner, guys. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. And I know it's a really long video, but salamat po.
Salamat. Paalam.
And we'll catch you later. Thanks for watching. Happy birthday again, Richard. We've not forgot you, pal. If you haven't subscribed yet, please remember, subscribe, okay? And we'll catch you later. Bye for now.
Sabihin kung paano